Hi guys! We're vlogging today.
Oh yeah.
We're being bloggers.
Bloggers.
We're gonna go get some tacos. Because my badass wants tacos. I always want tacos.
Taco.
But when was the last time you had swap me tacos?
I don't know. I don't know. It's been a while.
Yes, it's been a while, so we need tacos. I think the last time we had tacos together, look at the dog. Was Fernanda's Chuck E. Cheese.
Chunky cheese.
No, Chuck E. Cheese.
Chunky cheese.
Like
Chunky cheese.
no, like for her birthday. Remember?
Yeah.
I think that was the last time we had swap me tacos together.
Yep. Oh, that was a while then, huh?
Yeah.
What, February?
Yup.
Damn.
I don't know if they can see.
The 29th?
No, her birthday is January 29th, but we took her like,
Like February the 2nd or 6th.
yeah, the beginning of February, because then it was Valentine's Day and then you got me flowers again.
Yeah. Such a weirdo.
So you guys are gonna see a mukbang. And on my previous vlogs, I mentioned that I didn't get my nachos because I was too full.
No nachos.
But this time I'm gonna get my nachos.
Nachos.
Yes. And my baby's almost done with his externship.
Almost.
And now he's gonna be able to work and maintain me and give me more money.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
Ow!
Okay.
That hurt.
Oh, just don't fight it. Don't fight it.
Stop it,
Come on.
quieto. I'm driving. So yeah, we're almost at the Swami. It wasn't that far. I took it. Oh.
Oh.
My bigote is sweating.
Uh-oh. That means her mustache.
That's why my bigote. Hopefully it's not packed.
It might be a little packed. Bug's old.
At least the entrance door is open. Not like the last time when I came with Nora. It was
Oh my
closed.
god, it looks packed.
So we made it a Shami. Yay. Shami. Hopefully there's still tacos.
There better be.
Spark more near.
Hi, babe.
What?
Just go in there. Just bam. Who cares if you run the people over? Just.
You're so mean.
No, I'm just kidding.
Do you want to go to the little mini fair that there is
Where?
in Vista?
Oh yeah? Today?
I think tomorrow's the last day, but yeah, you want to go
Let's
to.
go tomorrow.
But tomorrow, what if they're already like packing up and stuff?
Nah. That's not what they do.
Well, I would prefer to go today, just to be safe.
Okay.
Te toda chueca.
Hi.
But
You look beautiful.
stop it! I finally did my makeup.
So beautiful, my baby.
Mira, stop moving my hair.
What?
Okay, I'll see you guys in the inside.
Come eat some tacos.
Let me just show you guys my makeup. This is my makeup. Mira. I don't know why with these lashes when they're like a thick band. Stop. Mira. With the thick band, the little corner always tends to pop, but I like them. The highlight though. Okay, I'll see you guys. Yum. Yum. Scrumptious. Scrunch. Are you guys ready for some tacos mukbangs? Let me get ready. Let's go fall again. Oh no. Stay. Okay. Oh, that was a cebolla. Le pusieron poquita carne, huh?
Tacos. Want me to bring some?
Oh, like a lot of them in my tacos.
No. So weird.
My taco was fine. These tacos at the swap meet is what it's at. What did you do? Something. Medium litro. 500 milliliters. He's already done with his tacos.
Oh yeah.
Moo.
Moo. You say moo?
Moo.
That was good.
Good tacos?
Yeah.
Makes you want to get another one, huh?
Nope.
You're full?
Yep. Are you getting full yet?
I haven't ate.
No.
I'll probably get full by the third one.
Okay.
You already know me so well. You know that I'm gonna get full real fast.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, I don't know why you're getting full. You're never finishing it.
Right?
I should have just left one plain just in case.
Alright. Just eat that one next.
You're good. You will eat this one? Okay. You're like, not that one, but that one.
Not that one, but that one.
This is me dancing because my tummy's
Happy?
happy. The jelly bean in my tummy is happy.
Ooh, it's hot.
Huh? Spicy, huh?
Woo.
I like that haircut. Is that the one the territory you get?
It's a military haircut. A high-end type.
Well, I like it. I'll give you this carne. That one looks like it's like burrito carne.
Like neck fat. We got some fruit. Fruta. Such healthy fruta that looks. Don't you look happy? Happy as can ever be.
I'm gonna be more happy later.
Oh, really? Why is that? Tell us, please do. And so that is that.
Talk to them.
Okay, well, it was a good day. A good day. Okay, there you go.
No nachos again.
No nachos. Bought some shirts. And, yeah. Okay. You know I'm socially awkward here.
But you're just, it's not even recording at all.
Yeah, it is. See?
Oh.
You need glasses. Where are your glasses?
They're in the car.
Hey, I swear. Here, I'll open the door.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me get the keys out. Oh shit.
Jump.
The keys are inside.
Where? Hey, oh. Go in there. Go. Okay, vlog later.
Always does. Where are you going? This is what Babe always does to me. He opens the door. What a gentleman.
Let's go.
Yay, nachos.
Nachos. Some nachos. I did his eyebrows. Look at them. On fleek. On fleek. Like mine. Look at them. Nachos.
You're so weird.
So wait, is it the wire that's holding the brackets or like the little metal wire that's hanging out?
Nachos.
You just put a wire into the middle, right? Yeah, there's that. And there's also like, well, the, well, I think it's like the one that's the next one. Right? One of those. Now it's turning there?
You don't even like jalapenos. I'll try and get
Like,
mine.
you have a gap right here, and they grab another wire, like a separate one, and they twist it.
I took off my lashes.
And they twist it around. And some of them, yeah, and some of them stick out, so you just have, cut it off. Like they get out. That's what I was thinking. But then, like one of these ones, like on the side, doesn't have a wire connecting. So I'm thinking it's that one that kind of pops out.
Oh. So I'm trying on dresses for graduation, and this is one of them. Let's see. Wrong way. Bye-bye. That looks nice. I would just have to wear something under. Okay, a different color. I'll try and lock it. This is dress number 2. It's alright. Let's see what he thinks. Bless you. Recording right there. Which between this one and the other one, which one you like better?
I like this one.
You like this one?
Mm-hmm.
For graduation?
Yeah. I like it.
And for the temple? For the one who like the same one.
You don't like that one?
I like that one, but it's really see-through. I feel like because it's white, it's all going to be see-through. So I will have to wear this one. Yeah?
Did you turn it on?
Yeah, I see you. Whatever. Hey guys. So we're gonna end the vlog. We came to the mall. The mall got Sephora. So we're gonna end the day here. Hope you guys enjoyed all the food because it was mainly like what a food vlog.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog with Deep Boost.
Bye.
Bye. Bye bye.